Today we are going to learn about anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to create hyperlink in HTML web pages. The syntax for anchor tag is. Let's write the program for anchor tag. Href stands for hyperlink reference. In href we need to insert the URL whatever we want. You can write the text whatever you want to show to the user. Here I forgot to write the correct URL. You should need to write like this. As you can see, we are getting the output successfully. The Google search engine is opening while clicking the URL. Subscribe for more.